Hi, and welcome. I'm Arya, and I'll be your host for this Etika video, in which we will look at a safe and classic espresso recipe with LELIT Bianca. In my experience, once dialed in, this recipe yields some great tasting espresso and is easy to keep it consistent and replicate. I'll be using these beans from Café Ricardo for this video. I'll start by weighing some beans. For this recipe, I'll be using 15.5 grams of coffee. I will get around 35 grams of liquid, as we'll see later on in the video. Then I'll grind the beans. I've already dialed this in, but I'm grinding a bit finer than usual since we're using a few seconds of pre-infusion in this recipe. We will manually pre-infuse or soak the coffee bed for 4 seconds and then ramp up the flow. This will help the water flow through the puck evenly once the extraction begins. Make sure your puck is prepped properly. Try to distribute the grounds evenly and use a leveler if you have one, and then tamp evenly. After starting the pump, I'm going to close the paddle once I see 2 bars on the pressure gauge for 4 seconds, and then slowly open up the flow all the way. The pressure should end up around 9 or 10 bars. If not, your grind may be too fine or too coarse. Since I had 4 seconds of pre-infusion, I'm aiming to get 35 grams of liquid out in about 35 seconds from the moment I turned on the pump. This is an easy and somewhat safe recipe to start your journey with flow profiles and pre-infusion. I've been getting balanced and tasteful shots with this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you tried this, let us know in the comments below. What was it like for you? Was it easy to dial in this recipe? And how did your shots taste? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.